Very good morning to all of you guys. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Guys, today we are going to start the discussion of algebraic based problems of permutations and combination. We are done with all the concepts. Just this kind of questions give you panic, and I assure you today you will be panic free from this topic. Once we are done with the session, you will find that all the questions are very easy. You can crack all the past exam question, ICI module question, my main book question, all the questions I have compiled in this one single sheet. Guys, now shall we start? Just everyone say yes so that I can start the discussion. Guys, please say yes so that I can start the discussion. I'm waiting for your reply, guys. Fast. All of you. Guys, shall we start? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait a second. Guys, shall we start now? Okay. Sir, algebraic based problem. Guys, now I have already shared this notes with you all. Now let's start. If you don't have the notes, just write down in the copy. Later on you can find this same notes in your concept, your WhatsApp group. Okay. These notes are available with you. Now, sir, first property of the combination, guys, if there is NCR, you can write this as with like N C N minus R. The value of NCR and the value of NCN minus R both are same. Sir, what you want to say from this? 5C3. Guys, either you calculate 5C3. What will be 5C3? N factorial upon N minus R, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into 3 into R factorial. Or you calculate NCN minus R, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Either you calculate this, both will give you the same result. N factorial upon N minus R factorial into, N minus R, 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial into R factorial, that is 2 factorial. Guys, you can see this order is changed, but the calculation remains the same. That's why we say, guys, first property, if NCR, you can either solve NCR or you solve NCN minus R, both the things remains the same. Both the combination will give you same resultant. Guys, is this point clear to you? Don't worry, we will have the practical question. I'll make sure that we discuss all the questions that is given over here. And once we are done with this kind of question, you will be tension free from this kind of questions. You don't need to worry about anything. Guys, now shall we start? Now, sir, one more property. Now see, guys, now please, most important, put this LDR, last day revision. Mark this as LDR. Now guys, be participative. NCR plus NCR minus 1, there is reduction in 1 R. There is a reduction in R by the 1. You can, guys, write down like this. This will be always N plus 1. This will be N plus 1 CR. Sir, here there will be 1 R and 1 will be less than R. So the R will be the greater number and R minus 1 will be 1 less. So guys, if there are 90 C50 and 1 is 90 C49, this is R minus 1. Always the greater number will be treated as R. Always the greater number will be treated as R. Are you getting this point? Yes, sir. Now, sir, why you are teaching this? Guys, now both this property number 1 and property number 2, both work in conjunction with each other. Now let's start with the question. Guys, I will give you the clarity with the question. Now see, guys, now all of you, please look at question number, wait, we can start with the good question. Wait. Yes, guys, let's start with the question number 71. All of you guys, please pay attention on the question number 71. Aman sir, let's start with the question number 71. All of you guys, please pay attention. Question number 71. Now see, guys, shall we start? Sir, here we are having 13C6. There are 2 times 13C5. Guys, as we can I write 13C5 2 times 13C5 plus 13C5? Guys, can I split this in 2 parts? 2 times 13C5 means 13C5 plus 13C5. Now you are having plus 13C4 is equals to 15CX. Now guys, look this very carefully. NCR, and here it is R minus 1, and is same 13. 1 is less, R is reduced by 1. NCR plus NCR minus 1. Guys, can I write the Pascal law? N plus 1 CR. Yes, Aman sir, you can replace this from N plus 1. What is N plus 1? 14CR. Guys, what is R? R is the greater number. R is 6. Another one is R minus 1. Now guys, please look at this place. NCR 15, 13C5. And here R minus 1, R is reduced by 1. Guys, can I again write the Pascal law? N plus 1 C R. And what is R? 5. 15C X. Guys, now again see, can you apply the Pascal law? 1 is here is 6 and here R minus 1 reduced by 1. NCR plus NCR minus 1. Guys, can I write N plus 1 CR is 6 is equal to 15CX. Guys, now please pay attention. Now all of you, please pay attention. Now if you will compare this, guys, you will say, sir, here X must be equals to 6. But guys, here the question has given two answers, 6 or 9, 6 or 8, 6 or 7. So please mute the participant. Wait, okay. Guys, now please pay attention. Sir, how to receive? Sir, is guys, wait. Actually this monitor is not working today. Chat system is very far. I'm unable to read the chat. Wait a second. Wait. I'll just join the meeting. Guys, I will read the chat. Okay, now I'm moving forward. Now please, guys, please pay attention. Please pay attention, all of you. Now, sir, how you will get another? See, guys, if there are two combinations are equal, if the n is same, then the base of the combination must also be same. So here we will conclude first point, R must be equals to S. And guys, second property that is very important is you will always find R plus S, and this must always be equals to n. R plus S must always be equals to n. Guys, so from here, guys, can I say, Aman sir, if two combinations are same, the power must be same of the C, 15, the base must be same. R is equal to X, X is equal to 6. And one more conclusion that we can draw from here is, sir, R plus S, 6 plus X must be equals to n. N is 15. And guys, from here you will get 15 minus 6. X will be equals to 9. Guys, just say, is this point clear or not? Guys, first, very important, the Pascal law. Guys, is this Pascal law clear? And by applying the property on the Pascal law, I have created two things. If two combinations are same, R must be equals to S and R plus S will be equals to n. Guys, is this three property clear? First, NCR, either you calculate NCR or you calculate NC n minus R. Aman sir, both will give you the same output. Next one is the Pascal law, NCR plus NCR minus 1. There are two combinations on the one side and another one combination on the other side. Definitely that question is of the Pascal law. NCR, and there is one combination where R is reduced by 1. Trust me guys, that question is of the Pascal law. That will be n plus 1 CR. Sir, now many students make mistake. Guys, the R is always the greater one. Here R is always the greater and R minus 1 will be always lesser. Don't put the lesser number over here. If there is 90C6 and here 90C5, many students will write 90 plus 1, 91C5. Don't write 5. Here it is R, not R minus 1. So R is always a greater number. It should be 6. Guys, is this point clear, all of you? I'm waiting for your reply. Guys, please reply me fast. Guys, is this point clear? Guys, please reply me fast. Is this point clear? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guys, we are done with this question. The answer is 6 or 9. Now, all of you guys, please pay attention over this question. Question number 74, guys. Question number 74. Guys, please pay attention towards question number 74 fast. 167C90 plus 167CX is equals to 168CX. We have to find the value of X. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Now let's start with the question number. Wait, which question? Question number we are starting with this. Now very important question again. Question number 74. Guys, we are moving towards question number 74. Now all of you please pay attention. Now see, many students waste their time in solving this question. The option is 89, 90 and 89, 90 and 91. Guys, now please pay attention over this question. I will give you the one shortcut for this question. Please pay attention, please pay attention. Now see guys, as we can see here, sir, there is n, and this is n plus 1. Guys, you can see it is n, and here it is increased by 1. It is n plus 1. There is high chances, Aman sir, that this may be the question of the Pascal law. Now guys, I don't want all of you to waste your time in solving these questions. Guys, we just need to check which option will justify the Pascal law. Which option will justify the Pascal law? For example, if I consider option A 89, now put 89, 167C 90 plus 167C 89 is equals to 168C 89. If you put option A, guys, if you put option A, you are saying, Aman sir, see, this is NCR, great. Here R is reduced by 1, this is plus NCR minus 1, I said great. Aman sir, this must be n plus 1, yes, this is n plus 1, 167 plus 1 CR. Guys, according to you, R was 90. And here it is 89. No, Aman sir, it is R minus 1 here. It means this it does not justify the Pascal law. Sir, okay. Now let's check another option. Guys, now let's put, don't waste putting 90. 90, no, I want one less. Let's put 91. Yes, difference of 1. Okay, guys, let's put 167 and C 90. 167C 91 is equals to 168C 91. Now let's see. You will always say this as R, greater number as R. So you will say NCR is this, Aman sir, and this is NCR minus 1. Now you will say N plus 1 CR. R is 91 and you are saying it R. Yes, R. So Aman sir, this justifies the, this justifies the Pascal law. This option is right. Don't waste your time in solving. Just put the value of X. The option which justify the Pascal law, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. That option is right. Guys, is this point clear, all of you? Understood, sir. Great, guys. Yes, 91 is the right answer. Guys, very good. You guys are performing very well. I want all of you, now please solve this question. Guys, all of you please solve this question. Question number 75. Again, one more question on the Pascal law. Guys, please solve. Guys, all of you please try. Question number 75. Guys, all of you please try. Guys, try. If you say 999, see, guys, this question is absolutely of no sense. Yes, sir, 999. Option A, 1000C 98 is equals to 999C 97. Aman sir, if we put 999, it will be 999,901. Sir, we can see this justifies the n. But what about the r? Guys, now please apply the property number 1. See, this is n plus 1 CR, that is true. This is n plus 1 CR, that is true. And now you will say, Aman sir, this is n minus 1 C, sorry, this will be n C R and r minus 1. I want here 98. Guys, how you can get 98 over here? If you will apply the property number 1, this will be n C n minus r, n minus r. Guys, if you will apply this, you will get 999 minus 901, you will get 98. You will get 999 C 98 plus 999 C 97 is equals to 1000 C 98. Here it is r and here it is r. This justifies. Guys, that's why I put this property number 1 and 2 in the one box. Because this sometimes, if you find that this is, you're not able to get NCR, trust me, you have to split NCR in the form of NCN minus R. And guys, these are the most complicated question that we are done now. So I am saying, don't waste your time in solving the Pascal law question. Just put the option that gives you the Pascal law LHS equal to RHS. That option is right. Guys, is this point clear? All of you. Guys, can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Guys, now, yes sir. Guys, now please move forward. Now please come to this area. Guys, there is no same kind of property available in permutations. Many students feel, sir, if their NCR is equal to NCN minus R, is the same applicable for NPR? The answer is no. Guys, is there any same Pascal law available in permutation? The answer is no. Yes, but in combination, if the NCR two combinations are same, we conclude two things: R is equal to S, and second, R plus S is equal to N. Guys, in the same way, if NPR is equal to NPS, one is the same, N will be equal to S. And second conclusion that you can draw is, write down R plus S. Here R plus S will not be equal to N. It will be equal to 2N minus 1. It will be equal to 2N minus 1, guys. Guys, this is very important. See, I just want all of you, sir, some technical issues from my side, because yes, you can watch. I will upload this immediately. I will give you the backup immediately. Don't worry, guys. Now moving forward, guys. Now see, if NPR is equal, now is some important algebraic ratios, guys. Now I will teach you some important algebraic ratios. If NPR is equals to NCR, then guys, this ratio is equals to R factorial. So this is equals to R factorial. Now guys, please pay attention. Now see, if NPR upon NCR is equals to R factorial. Sir, how? As we know, NPR is equal to N factorial upon N minus R factorial, and this is N factorial upon N minus R factorial into R factorial. Guys, if you will see, this will go above N factorial upon N minus R factorial. Second division, whenever it go above, it reciprocals. So this will be N minus R factorial into R factorial upon N factorial. This will cancel, and the answer will be R factorial. Now see, guys, that's why I'm directly writing, if two ratios, the ratios of NPR upon NCR is R factorial. But now see, guys, please pay attention. We will learn the theorem. For example, if I'm saying A upon B is 2 by 3, what will be B upon A? If A upon B is 2 by 3, Aman sir, then B upon A will be 3 by 2. Say yes or no. If A upon B is 2 by 3, then B upon A will be 3 by 2. Say yes or no, guys. If you reciprocal this area, the ratio of the RHS will also reciprocal itself. If you reciprocal LHS, RHS will also reciprocal itself. Say yes or no. In the same way, if I am saying if NPR upon NCR is R factorial, then guys, if you reciprocal, NCR upon NPR will be equals to 1 upon R factorial. So guys, we will have one ratio. If while solving the question, you require the reciprocal of it. So guys, reciprocal the RHS also. Reciprocal the RHS also. Now see guys, these are the two important shortcuts that I'm going to teach you. These are the two important shortcuts that I'm going to teach you. Then guys, I will give the shortcut for this. Don't worry. Now see, NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1. Guys, the ratio of NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1 will is equals to R plus 1 upon n plus 1. Guys, hold this in your mind. NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1 is equal to R plus 1 upon n plus 1. And the NCR n minus 1 R minus 1 is equals to 1 n by R is equals to n by R. Sir, why you want us to hold these questions? Guys, this kind of ratio based questions that give you panic, this will be solved immediately if you hold these shortcuts. Now see guys, now see, NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1, R plus 1 upon n plus 1. NCR upon n minus 1 upon R minus 1 is n upon R. Sir, if during solving, if while solving the question, I want n plus 1 CR plus 1 upon NCR, I will just reverse it, n plus 1 upon R plus 1. You can just reciprocal this also. You can just reciprocal this also. Guys, so whenever, as per the question, you can reciprocal whenever you want. You can reciprocal the things whenever you want. Guys, please write this. Write down this. NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1. R plus 1 upon n plus 1. And NCR upon n minus 1 R minus 1 is simply n upon R. Guys, now let's solve this question. Question number, Aman sir, now let's solve question number 78. See guys, what they are saying, they have given you n plus 1 C R plus 1 upon NCR is equals to 8 by 3. And one more thing they have given, NCR upon n minus 1 CR minus 1 is 3 by 1. Guys, now don't worry, you know this. See guys, you have learned n upon NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1. That is R plus 1 upon n plus 1. If you reciprocal this, this will also n plus 1 upon R plus 1. See guys, you know this. You know this. We know NCR upon. And now we require n plus 1 CR upon. It means I will, if this is n plus 1 R plus 1 upon n plus 1, now reciprocal will be n plus 1 upon R plus 1. Guys, you know this. This is 8 by 3, Aman sir. NCR upon n, we know it directly, n upon R. That is 3 upon 1. Guys, cross multiply 3n plus 3 is equals to 8R plus 8. So you will get 3n minus 8R is equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5. And here n will be equals to 3R. So guys, can I replace n from 3R? Yes, Aman sir, you can replace n from 3R. 3 into 3R. How much? 9R minus 8R is equals to 5. So guys, R will be equals to 5. So guys, put R over here, n will be 15. What the question is demanding? Question is demanding n, and we have received n as 15. Guys, now just tell me, guys, can you very easily solve this kind of questions now? Guys, can you now easily solve this kind of questions? Say yes or no fast. Guys, n plus 1 NCR upon n plus 1 CR plus 1. Aman sir, R plus 1 upon n plus 1, one ratio. Second ratio, NCR upon n minus 1 R minus 1. Sir, simply n upon R. Sir, we know A upon B. If we require B upon A, we will reciprocal the RHS also. We have one ratio, A upon B. But if while solving the question, I require B upon A, I will reciprocal it. Are you getting that point? Yes. Now, guys, solve this question. Question number 79. Question number 79. NPR is 720. NCR is 120. Guys, I want NP. I know the ratio of NPR upon NCR is equals to R factorial. So it will be just, guys, 720 upon 120 is equals to R factorial. This will cancel. 72 divided by 12. How much? Sir, R factorial is 6. And we know they are asking the value of R. What gives you 6? Sir, 3 factorial gives us 6. It means here R is equals to 3. Here R is equals to 3. r is equals to 3. Guys, we are done with this questions now. Now see this question. Guys, this is not 10 plus, this is 10 CR. Now they have given you 10 PR and 10 CR this. They are asking again value of R. Again question number 72 guys. Question number 72. 10 PR. Aman sir, they have given you 10 PR is equals to how much? 604,800,4800. They have given you 10 CR is equals to how much guys? 120. Again they are asking the value of R. And we know the ratio of NPR upon NCR. NPR 10PR upon 10CR is equals to R factorial. So this will be 604,800 divided by 120. Guys, this is R factorial is equals to 5040, and we all know this is the 7 factorial, I think. 720 is the 6 factorial into 7. How much? Yes. Sir, here R will be equals to 7 because 7 factorial give us 5040. Guys, now this question you will find very easy questions. Now nothing is complicated for you guys. Now see, wait, I will come to this question. Done. Nothing is left, guys. Now please solve question number 70. Guys, all of you see question number 70 again, a LDR past exam question, LDR question. Question number 70, guys, all of you please see question number 70. 18 CR is equals to 18 CR plus 2. 18 CR is equals to 18 CR plus 2. Guys, now please see, please see guys. If two combinations are equal, we conclude two things. One, this is equal to this, but that will not give you anything. And another, R plus S, this will be equals to N. So here 2R will be equals to 18 minus 2, that is 16. So R will be equals to 8. R will be equals to 8. But the question is not demanding R. Question is demanding 8 RC5. Now what will be RC5? Now you know R. So you need to calculate 8C5. Guys, now you can calculate 8C5 and you can tally the answer. Now these questions are very easy, guys. Now these questions are very easy because now you are having the shortcuts, all the things in your one concept notebook. Only these things will help you out. Only these things will help you out. Yes. 56. Yes. Right answer, guys. 56. Guys, is this point clear, all of you guys? Question number 78. See, 78 is just a ratio. I just took the ratio. I just used this ratio. Now guys, please pay attention. Now come to the concept notebook, guys. Now institute has not asked the question on this, but please remember this ratio also. This is R plus 1 upon N minus R. And guys, NCR upon NCR minus 1. This ratio is N minus R minus 1 upon R. Guys, I just want till now in the year 2008. They have asked the question on this, the year 2008. But after that, they have never asked this question. If you go with the traditional method, you require minimum 2 pages to solve this question. But now, guys, you can hold this. See, this is very important. LDR. Yes, recently 2017, they have asked the question on this. High chances that they may repeat this question. So, guys, I just want to hold these two relations. One NCR upon N plus 1 CR plus 1. That is R plus 1 upon N plus 1. Another NCR upon N minus 1 CR minus 1 N upon R. And one NCR upon only, there is no addition in N, only in base. Here there is addition in N also, and here addition in R also. And the second ratio, no addition on N, only addition on R. R plus 1 upon N minus 1. Here there is reduction on N also and R also. And here only the reduction in R. This is the basic difference between the above two ratios. Now, guys, see. Whenever the question demands LCM, again a very frequently asked questions. Whenever the question demands LCM, guys, LCM is factorial of the greatest integer. Factorial of the greatest integer. And HCF is the factorial of the smallest integer. Factorial of smallest integer. Now, in this case, guys, see, what will be the LCM? LCM is the factorial of greatest integer. What is the greatest integer? 8 factorial. So 8 factorial is the LCM. HCF, guys, the factorial of smallest integer. What is the smallest integer? 3 factorial over 3, 7, 5. What is the smallest? 3. So guys, 3 factorial is the HCF. Guys, I hope these questions are you find very easy, and I hope now these questions will not give you any kind of panic situation. Guys, we are done with this. Question number 69. Guys, question number 69. 1 upon 4 factorial plus 1 upon 5 factorial is equals to x upon 6 factorial, x upon 6 factorial, x upon 6 factorial. Now guys, if you will take the LCM, LCM will be the factorial, greatest factorial, factorial of the greatest integer. What is the factorial of greatest integer? 5 factorial. If you will divide 5 factorial by 4 factorial, you can write 5 into 4 factorial. 4 will cancel, you will get 5 into 1, 5. 5 factorial, 5 factorial will cancel, you will get 1 into 1, that is 1 is equals to x upon 6 factorial. So guys, here you will get 6 upon 5 factorial is equals to x upon. Guys, can I write 6 into 5 factorial, because this will cancel, and you will get x is equal to 6 into 6, that is x is equals to 36. X is equals to 36. Guys, the answer is 36. Guys, we are done with all the questions. Yes, right answer, right answer. You guys are performing so well, no need to worry about. Guys, can I move forward now? Guys, can I move forward? Now, write down one note over here. Guys, write down one clarification note over here. Write down. If question demands the value of any one variable, if question demands value of any one variable, then you can go from option to question. You can go from option to question. That is LHS equal to RHS will be expected. LHS equal to RHS will be expected, guys. Now see, let's start with one question. See guys, here I am saying NP13, n plus 1 P for 12 is equals to 3 by 4. Now I don't know guys, I don't know how to solve this question, because we are not having any specific property algebraic ratios for the permutation. If this kind of questions comes and they are asking just the value of one variable n, go from option to question. Now let's go from option B. If you start from option B, you will write 15p13 upon 15 plus 1, that is 16p12 is equals to 3 by 4. If this gives me 3 by 4, the option will be right. Now let's solve this. Sir, you can say 15 factorial upon 15 minus 3, 15 minus 13, that is 12 factorial n minus r factorial upon n factorial upon n minus r, that is 4 factorial. Sir, if you will solve this, this will be 15 into 14 into 13, 13, sorry. Sorry. Sir, n factorial upon n minus r factorial upon n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So guys, this will be 15 factorial divided by 2 factorial. If you will take this above, this will reciprocal 4 factorial upon 16 factorial. So guys, how you will solve this? Sir, this will be 15 factorial into 4 factorial is 24 divided by 2, and this will be 16 into 15 factorial. This will cancel. Now let's solve this. 24 divided by 16 again divided by 2. Guys, you will get 0.75. Now let's see whether RHS is 0.75 or not. Guys, divide 3 divided by 4. Guys, this is also 0.75. So this is the option which gives me LHS equal to RHS. So this option is right. Guys, you can expect this is the past exam previous year question. Now I have solved this previous year question just from the option. So if in exam time, if you are unable to crack any of the property, any of the ratio, don't worry, just go from option to the question. The option that will give you LHS equal to RHS, that option will be right. Guys, now I'm giving you 2 questions that you have to solve from the option to question. One is the 73, guys. See, they are just asking the value of n. We have solved one question of the permutation. Now just put the value of n from the option. The option 6, B will give you. You will put here 6. You will get 12, C3 upon 6C2. If this gives you 44 upon 33, 44 upon 3 is, guys, 14.66. If you get the ratio as 14.66, this option will be right. So guys, you can directly go from option to question. Here also you have to go from option to question. Now see guys, this question. See this question. They are saying take R from 1 to 5. If you will take R from 1 to 5, this will be 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5. And we are having a one logic. This is the number of ways I can select one or more than one. Entire 5 also. 2 raised to the power n minus 1, that is 2 raised to the power 5, that is 32, minus 1, guys, that is 31. So this already we have solved this question. No need to worry about. Guys, I hope these questions are clear now. These questions are clear. Now last question of the day, and we are done with the algebraic based question. I already said I just required 35 to 40 minutes and will pack up this with all the concepts. And this one concept notebook give you the 100% clarity on the algebraic based problem, guys. Now, see, this is very good question. I like this question very much. See, guys, if you remember, while teaching sequence and series, I have taught you what is the USP of the sum formula. We put the place and the option that gives me the sum up to that place is right. Now they are expecting the multiplication. This dot represents the multiplication. If you put n is equals to 2, you will expect the multiplication up to that place. Multiplication up to that place. If you put 3, 2, what is the multiplication of two places? 1 into 3, how much? 3. So the option that will, while putting n is equal to 2, will give you 3, that will be right. If you put n is equals to 3, the option that gives the multiplication of 3 place, 1 into 3 into 5, 15, that will be right. So we just need to check that. Guys, now let's put 3 over here. Now let's put, okay, 2. Guys, 2 into 2, 4 factorial, divided by 2 raised to the power 2, 4 into 2 factorial, that is 2. Guys, 24 divided by 4 divided by 2, guys, you are getting 3. So when you put the place, this formula gives you the multiplication up to that place, that will be right. Sir, we can put n equal to 1. Yes, you can put. Yes, you can put whatever. If you put 1, you have to put, expect the sum multiplication up to first place. And the multiplication up to first place is, guys, 1 only. So you have to expect that in that time 1. Guys, we are done with the algebraic based problems. Now see, guys. Now guys, I have to pack up this session. A small session I have planned for you guys. I hope this session is completely clear. Now I will plan 2 more sessions tomorrow. I will give brief you the time tomorrow only, guys. See you everyone. Bye, guys.